Mr. Popper for Mr. Gremmons.
And you are?
Pippi Papanopoulos. I'm Mr. Popper's personal assistant. I process his paperwork and I procure his periodicals.
She doesn't even know she's doing it.
Pardon?
Nothing.
You can go in.
Mr. Popper, sorry to waste your time, but I changed my mind. I'm not going to sell.
I understand. Second thoughts are as valid as first thoughts. They just come later.
It's just that this building is my last holding, and if I sell,
Then you're free. And that's a scary thing. Hey, I get it. Doing any sailing this year?
who has the time?
Yeah. My father sailed around the world solo.
Oh, yeah, lucky man.
Yeah, pulled Hemingway. Just him in the sea.
You know, that's always been a dream of mine.
Oh, he had some stories. Like that storm off the Horn of Africa.
The Horn of Africa?
Oh, yeah. The sea was calm, the sailing smooth, when out of nowhere... Gah! 20-foot swells like a hammer punch to the prow. Dad was a heck of a sailor, but he'd never seen waves like this. Gale force winds, straight from the devil's nostrils, whipped his ship like a rubber ducky. Salt spray in his face felt like 1,000 needles. And suddenly the wind ripped the mainsail off the mast. He was doomed.
What did he do?
What did he do?
Yes.
Spun the wheel, hoisted the jib, threaded the needle backwards. When he came out the other side, oh my God!
Oh my God! What?
It can't be, but it is.
What is it?
A blue whale. Like a gentle giant, the most majestic creature on earth.
It's so beautiful.
Can you see it? Its skin glistening in the sun. A rainbow. In the spray of his mighty blowhole. Oh well, you'll get out there. Someday.
Wait.